This is the view from the front window. Not bad.
I just said to Dave, what other goodies are we going to find on the land today? Because there always seems to be a tree down or some issue. Who knows what happened here? I guess a lot of wind. Do you need a hand? Nice work there.
We got back and it is pissed it rain, so there's a lot of water, but we're on rafter making duty. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
We worked for about 5 hours and we got half the trusses on rafters. They are rafters and they all look actually pretty straight and even, more or less. My manservant has brought me a beer, so that's cool. So we will sign off for now. I, as the last person in the car, somehow managed to lock the keys in it. I managed to wedge the door open enough to get something in there, but we don't have a tool, so I'm going to try and cut this wire thing up, see if I can make it long enough to reach. We've MacGyvered this poker tool.
Okay, here we go.
Is that on the button?
No, over, yep. There. Just there. Oh.
You doing it?
Do a reenactment.
We got it open. Rowan had the great idea. We were trying to push this button, but he said, oh, what if you could get it on the handle? So we did. We got it hooked on the handle and we're able to open it.
Wow.
Just enough. So it's back to rafter time. We've got a template for the front rafters. Oh, we got a call saying the metal roof is ready, so we have to pick that up within 24 hours. So
I think they'll allow us to pick.
For crying out loud, I'm going back to bed. We're moving all this wood. And I just cracked the bloody backlight of the car. This car, I don't know, and I are gonna have a fight. Well, it's properly raining, but we did get all the rafters done. So as soon as it lets up a bit, we'll blast them up there. Still raining. Well, we're calling it a day because the rain is rainy. We managed to get that tarp up over the whole roof, so hopefully that'll keep it dry inside.
Where are the keys?
In my hand. So tomorrow we'll pick up the tin and then we'll come back up. It's supposed to be sunny on the weekend. Well, we've come back after 2 days because we were catching the tail end of Hurricane Beryl. So it rained like an SOB. Well, we've got the first row of OSB on. We've got the hired help up there screwing. So that's progress. We've got 3 rows are screwed down, basically, and 3 rows are just up there waiting to be screwed down. I remember when the Shabunky was at this stage. We thought it was quite a something, but anyway, we had a great day, and now we're gonna go for a swim. Oh, we've just gone into town to get a new stove, and Kyla noticed these raspberry bushes on the side of the road, packed full of fruit. So we will stop and have breakfast.
Oh my God.
There it is, works like a charm. Crisis averted. This crazy frog has just been literally hanging around.
But like the glue on the suction on those feet and hands. Like, look at that.
Yeah. Impressive. It's like spider frog.
Spider frog?
I really like his coloring.
His coloring is so cool.
Camouflage.
Oh, he's yellow underneath. Did you see that? When he moved?
So close to being done the roof. Wow. The sheathing of the roof. We just have that little corner basically. Thoughts on that?
Well, it's interesting because you really start to get a feel for it.
You do.
And like the space, and then thinking about what's the kitchen gonna look like, how's it gonna fit, all that stuff. So it's fun.
Yep. Here's the view from upstairs. We're pushing ahead with the strapping. I have one little corner over there to do in the sheathing, but I forgot to put the 2x10s on, so I'll have to do that in the morning. I said screw it. Here's the view of the lake from on top of the roof. Here comes Kyla. She's in charge of screwing.
Dave's not in holding the ladder for me even anymore. I'm so comfortable coming up here. There. Made it!
Nice. This is exciting stuff. We're finally getting the metal on there. I brought you these knee pads.
Oh, that would be helpful. Thank you. There.
Well, there, it's more or less on. Ah, right in front of our faces.
My bad, sorry. Quality control. Where are you?
Ooh. Ah. Another perfect morning, although it's chilly. We started putting in windows. Can anyone see the cock-up I made? There. We've got 2 windows in now. And just for the hell of it, we put this one in the right way up first time, just to maybe save some time in the long run. There's the view right there, baby. There's the view right there.